Yo, what is good, YouTube, man? Today is June 18. Man, God gonna do something good, bro. Today's June 18. It's not even 10 a.m. yet, and we are done for the day. We are done for the day. Let's get into the recap. This might generally be the shortest recap, by the way. Y'all can see trade on the screen. It hit in 3 minutes. Or no, that's the 30-second time frame. It hit in 2 minutes. Man, that's how fast this trade was. But anyways, so as we know, yesterday was FOMC. This is that FOMC candle, the June 17 1 p.m. candle. We see that we sold off heavily. I think they said that they're not cutting interest rates, that everything's going to stay the same. So that brings a level of uncertainty into the market. We did have this huge fall off of about 600 points. We had that fall off of 600 points, right? And we didn't fill new week opening gap, but this is a gap at the end of the day. So price needs to respect it or disrespect it, and price respected it while also having this 4-hour bullish gap as well, you know. And with all of that what's the word, momentum, overnight we were bullish, right? And as you can see, we were bullish. Let me clear all this up though for y'all real quick. And as you can see, we tagged into this 4-hour bearish gap. Now this bearish gap has been the gap of the week for me. It has held price so many times, and it's saying respect me, right? So we did all of that new week opening gap, 4-hour gap, straight into this 4-hour bearish gap. Once again, if we want to be bullish, we're going to disrespect this gap, pull back, and take out all these draws. If we want to be bearish, we're going to pull back into the gap and leave it. You feel me? We come to the 1 hour. Today, we still have this 1 hour on the gap as well. Obviously, it's within the 4 hour, but I did want to see this 1 hour get tagged potentially, just due to the fact that we've already been inside this 4-hour gap. We come to the 15, and there is something I want to show y'all boys, because it is kind of important. As you can see right here, we have this New York PM high, we have London high, and we have this AM high and this London high. Coming into market, we swept all of these draws, right? Which is super important to what I'm about to tell y'all boys. Coming in the market, we swept 1, 2, 3, 4 different draws. So when I see that, that tells me we don't need more liquidity to be swept. We don't need more liquidities to be ran through. We swept 4 different draws, and we're trading within a 4-hour gap, potentially looking to tag this 1-hour gap. But that means that any move I'm looking at can happen right now. You feel me? I'm not waiting for another trigger entry. I'm not waiting for another manipulation leg. Because at the end of the day, let me show y'all. What is that? Where is it? We swept all these draws at around 8 o'clock. So market is just waiting for the market open to now finally react off of the fact that we swept out these session highs, right? And right here, let me show y'all real quick. Hold on. This is the exact same play from yesterday. I do believe we had an SMT with ES. Okay, we did have an SMT with ES. We have this teeny SMT at the highs. And once again, we have our 1 minute bullish gap. And if we inverse it, we're looking to take longs. And we also have our 30-second gap. So the 1 minute gap is the highest time frame gap, I believe. I wasn't even looking at. Okay, we do have a 2 minute, but I wasn't going to take the 2 minute. We also have a 3 minute. Anyways, I wasn't going to take any of those, but we have this 1 minute bullish gap right here. I'm waiting for the inverse. If we inverse it, I'll look to take shorts. But this kind of scared me due to the fact that this is exactly what happened yesterday, where we have these two candles that, even though I think I'm bearish, these two candles are showing me that we don't want to even close below the gap. That means that this bullish gap is being held and it's being respected. I come down to the 30-second, and we just see that we're holding at the encroachment, at the consequent encroachment of this bullish gap, right? And after market makes up its mind, we start to run. I take my entry. I took it off the 1 minute gap. I think I did front run it. Yeah, I did front run it, and we just run. You feel me? We took out. I was targeting this low, my sell side. These 804 lows. This is the 4-hour gap. And yeah, that's as textbook as it gets, right? Right here we have P&L. My mic is a little bit too loud. But right here we have our P&L. For today we made 2,800. Let me show y'all. And if we see here, like, we've just been so consistent with what we're doing. Winning day, winning day, winning day. Yesterday still sucks because yesterday should have been a winning day, and we have today as well. Like, this was a break-even day, so we had, coming off the eval, we were on a 6-trade win streak. We did take a loss yesterday, sadly, but one more winning day and we are payout eligible. So once again, all glory to God. I hope y'all boys caught a dub. If not, why not us? You know, it's the same thing every day, same motivation, same process. You know, that's what we do it for. I hope y'all boys caught a dub. If not, keep grinding. Losses are lessons. Yup.